So, y'all, I'm making a sandwich tonight. So, I was on TikTok and I saw this girl eating a sandwich that looked scrumdiddlyicious. Wait, ugh. So I went to the store and got all the stuff to make it. So it's the grinder sandwich. So I got some bread. I got some English toasting sandwich bread. I got tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, pepperoni, red wine vinegar, more mayo because I didn't know if we had enough, red onion, turkey, salami, and then I just got some stuff to go with it. So, like on the side, pickles, kettle chips, and then I got a Coca-Cola. So, I'm about to make my sandwich. So, I'm about to mix all this stuff up, like all the veggies and things. Oh, and also mustard. But we already had that. And then the seasoning that goes with it is Italian seasoning, oregano, and red chili flakes. I think that's it. So yeah. So I'm about to mix it all together and then I'll show y'all once I mix it up and then I'll put it together. Okay, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, so I already got my lettuce, my red onion, my pepperoncinis with some pepperoni juice, my red wine vinegar, and my, I don't know if I already said red onion and lettuce, but yeah. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, just a little bit, and then I'll throw some chives up in there. Then some garlic. And then I'm going to do some pepper. A few red. That's enough. Pepper flakes, oregano. And some Italian seasoning. Then I'm gonna mix this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that's all mixed up, I'm gonna cut up a little bit of the cucumber, a couple of the tomatoes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just lightly toasted my bread. Now I'll put a little bit of butter on the outside of it. Okay, I'll make you some toast in a minute after I'm done making my sandwich. Not a lot, just so I get that buttery taste. Okay, so now to assemble. Okay, so get this out of the way. I'm using my son's spoon because all the other ones, fork, all the other forks are in the dishwasher. So I just want to get all of this goodness. Get some more lettuce. Get some more pepperoni and red onion. Come on. Get one there. A little bit more lettuce. I like that crunch. Come on. Baby forks, 100% do not recommend. Okay, that's good. Okay. So now, on the other side, I'm gonna do mayo. I mean, not mayo, mustard. Spread that a little bit. Okay, and then put my tomatoes on that side. Okay, and then I'll put my cucumbers on the side with the lettuce. And then got my that up. Turkey. Hold on, Roy. Salami, turkey. So I'm so excited about this sandwich, yo. So I'm gonna put like 3 slices of turkey. They're about this big, so not too big. And then I'm gonna put just 2 slices of salami. And then just flip that onto there. Let me cut it. The other girl who made this, hers looked like way better, but you know. Okay. Now that I got my sandwich ready, I used to love banana peppers when I was younger. I got some pickles. Oh. There you go. Ooh. You just do 2. Put these in the fridge. And then a sandwich and chips and pickles. You gotta have pop. And what better pop than a Coca-Cola? Hold on, Royce. And I still have more in this bowl. But like literally. Okay. I already took a bite of my sandwich.